Hello, Chef Jerky for Jerky TV. Hello, guys. Another thing about why our jerky comes out so consistent and killer is because our oven. Our oven is specific to our needs, and I think that it puts out just as much product as some of my competitors with multiple ovens, and they kind of don't understand why. I've put bigger pulleys on the 4 turbines that are on top of our oven, and bigger engines, and I replace the bearings more often. I've also, after flying in mechanics and putting them up for the night in hotels and whatnot, we've also taken over the oven, and I put my own controls on it after I got tired of breaking down and whatnot. So yeah, let's walk over there and check this bad boy out. So this is our oven here. It takes 4 of these trucks inside here, and it's also called a cross flow. I believe only 1% of the ovens in the world are cross flow. Most jerky ovens or whatnot blow from the sides down, and you can't lay your jerky too close because the wind has to come, and you don't want to lay your jerky. You'll have to lay your jerky, a piece of jerky here, and a piece of jerky here, and a piece of jerky here. If you lay your jerky like this, and you want your wind to come up through the screens, then pretty much everything on the bottom is going to be cooked, and everything on the top is going to be raw and that kind of. So they have to shuffle their carts and screens if they have a different oven or whatnot. Crossflow is pretty much the Rolls Royce of the industry, and that's what we do. And then I added extra horsepower to mine. Of course, I'm a gearhead. That's what I do. So I like to build trucks and off-road vehicles and dune buggies and dirt bikes and that sort of thing. So that's kind of my gig. So let's go to the oven here. There are 25 vents in this oven. Each vent blows this direction. So for 10 minutes. Then it sucks from this side. And then 10 minutes later, it's gonna blow from this side and suck from this side. 100% of the air is going to cross over all 25 screens. Now, a lot of my competitors can only lay 20 screens at a time, and I get 25 screens at a time. So by the time I load my 100 screens and I crank on this bad boy and set it to my settings, 3 hours later, I got 1,000 pounds of jerky, depending on the thickness. And it's pretty dependable now that it's got, you know, some super controls on it due to the fact that we got tired of dealing with anybody outside, and I can pretty much handle this oven on my own. Yeah, kind of cool, huh? And let me show you what I have to go through. It's like running a space shuttle though. Look behind me. So we have a chart drive here. This records the humidity so that the USDA knows that the proper humidity is going down at the proper temperature at the proper time. Then you got all these switches here, which are for like manual product shower, manual damper mode, all these things you have to be responsible for. And then look at the inside of this cabinet. Yeah, look behind me. How would you like to do that, huh? Yeah, so troubleshooting this got to be a bear, so I stuck my own controls on there. Here's my own controls right here. We don't run any of this other stuff right here. We don't run that. We use this right here, and I use these 2 thermostats right here. A, burner, back burner, front burner, turn on the blower switch. Other than that, hey man, we're just cooking jerky. The more air you can move, the faster you can cook product. And you wanna move the air consistently so that all of your jerky comes out at the same moisture ratio, the same texture, the same beautificationness. Yeah, I can use my own vocabulary, it's my show, right? So anyway, I put my own safety controls on here because we had a thermocouple that was reading the flame, and the thermal rod didn't read the flame very well, so we stuck a computer eye that actually looks down the hole and says, yeah, there's a flame there, so like the flame don't go out now. So we don't have any flame failures now, yay. And as you can see, I'll show you my stuff. We also have the capacitor here, which allows jerky time travel to happen. You gotta have jerky time travel, you know, and that also allows Jerky Man the ability to go wherever he wants and find out whatever he needs and battle whatever crusaders he might need to battle. It's one of his time machines. And what else here? We got a little bit of circuitry, some boards, takes about 600 amps. It's quite the energy whore. And here's another disconnect is we keep some extra door seals on the side right here because sometimes the employee rams the cart into the door seal and blows the tire basically, and then we can't shut the door because the doors are airtight, and this submarine seal blows up and actually pressure cooks the jerky along with the time travel and the flux capacitor and everything that we have going on here. Check it out. That's right. So that's my oven. That's one of our big secrets, is consistency. And if you got an oven like this, and you can stand in your oven at 170 degrees, it's cool in here, it's good on your back too. So this is just one of the secrets, and it's our oven. And it's cleaned daily. And I'd like to thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.